How to trade with Fibonacci Retracement on Forex.com platform. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Forex.com app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. In order to use the Fibonacci Retracement, first of all, you need to open up a chart. Open a chart of a trending currency pair like Euro or USD and head over to that chart. After you open up the chart, the second step is you need to draw the Fibonacci tool. Select the Fibonacci Retracement tool from the toolbar. You can draw the Fibonacci tool more better in the desktop version. So for the easiness, you can use your desktop site. Next step is you can analyze the key levels. So focus on the 38.2%, 50% or 61.8% levels. These are the key pullback zones where price often reverses or continues the trend. And next step is you need to plan the trade entries. Wait for the price to retrace to one of those levels and form a bullish or bearish signal, like as you can see in this candle pattern. And the final step is you need to set the stops and targets. Let's say if you want to buy this stock, here you can mention the trade size first, and you can enable this take profit and stop loss feature. For take profit, you need to aim for near previous swing, highs or lows, and for stop loss, you just need to place it beyond the next fib level. And that's how you trade using Fibonacci Retracement on Forex.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.